Hello, beautiful learners. Welcome back to another episode of Calm English Stories. I'm Alice.
And I'm Adam. Today, we're talking about something that always brings peace to my heart. Relax in nature.
Yes. Fresh air, birds singing, sunlight in the trees. It's like a big, gentle hug from the world.
Exactly. And we have some stories, vocabulary, and easy expressions to help you talk about your nature experiences in English.
So, let me start with a story. Last year, I was feeling stressed. Too much work, too much noise, too many messages on my phone. So one weekend, I decided to take a quiet walk in the forest near my home.
Oh, I know that forest. It's beautiful.
Yes, and I remember this one moment. I stopped walking. I closed my eyes, and I heard only the sound of the wind in the leaves. It was so peaceful that I almost cried in a good way.
That's beautiful. Sometimes nature feels like a reset button.
Exactly, a reset button for the heart. Let's look at a few useful words from my story. 1. Stressed. Meaning you feel worried, tired, or under pressure. Example, I feel stressed when I have too much work. 2. Peaceful. Meaning calm, quiet, relaxing. Example, the forest was peaceful. 3. Reset button, expression. Meaning something that helps you start fresh or feel new again. Example, nature is my reset button. Repeat after me. I feel stressed sometimes. Nature helps me feel peaceful. I need a reset button.
Okay, my turn. So once I decided to go hiking on a small mountain. You know, just a simple hike. Nothing crazy.
Famous last words.
Yes. Because halfway up the trail I realized I forgot my water bottle.
Oh no.
And it was hot. Really hot. So I kept hiking and I was sweating like a fountain.
Did you make it to the top?
Yes, but when I reached the top, I said out loud, I will never forget water again. It was both beautiful and painful.
A nature lesson.
Exactly. Nature teaches us to be prepared. 1. Trail. Meaning a small walking path in nature. Example, we followed the trail through the forest. 2. Hiking. Meaning walking in nature for exercise or fun. Example, I like hiking on weekends. 3. Be prepared. Expression. Meaning, have what you need before you start something. Example, always be prepared when you go hiking. Repeat after me. This is a beautiful trail. I enjoy hiking. I should be prepared.
Here are a few real English expressions people use when talking about nature. Get some fresh air. Meaning go outside to relax. Example, let's get some fresh air. Clear my mind. Meaning feel calm and think more clearly. Example, a walk helps me clear my mind. Reconnect with nature. Meaning spend peaceful time outside. Example, I want to reconnect with nature this weekend.
Repeat after me. I need to get some fresh air. I want to clear my mind. I'm reconnecting with nature.
Nature is a wonderful teacher. It teaches us to slow down, breathe, and be present.
And remember, your English is growing just like a tree. Slowly, beautifully, little by little.
So this week, try to spend even 5 minutes outside. Look at the sky, feel the wind, listen to the birds.
And try using one new English expression from today's video.
We're proud of you, always. See you next time. Bye-bye.